Okay, so today we're going to revise looking at prime factors and how we can use those to find highest common factors, HCF, and lowest common multiples, LCM. So we'll start off with two numbers. We'll look at 60, and so we're going to find the highest common factor and lowest common multiple of 60 and 72. So we'll start with doing our factor tree. So 60, split that up into prime factors. So 60 is 2 multiplied by 30. You can do it anyway, like I'm going to go with 2. Circle the 2, prime. 30 is 15 times 2. And 15 is 3 times 5. Okay, so we can write underneath it 60 is 2 squared multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Now let's look at 72. So 72 is 9 times 8, neither of which are prime, so let's break them down again. 9 is 3 multiplied by 3. 8 is 4 multiplied by 2, and then 4 is 2 times 2. So 72 is in fact 2 cubed times 3 squared. Okay, so that's breaking into prime factors. You'll have to do that in your assessment. You'll be asked to break it into prime factors. However, if you want to find the lowest common multiple, highest common factor of two numbers, you can use a diagram, put this information into a diagram. So I am going to draw two circles that intersect called Venn diagram. So I've got my first circle there. Well, that's going to represent the number 60. And the green one is going to represent the number 72. Okay, now what I do is in the middle, I put the prime factors that appear in both. So let's look, we've got a 2 in both. There's a 2 there, and there's a 2 there, so I'm going to write 2 in the middle. There's another 2 actually, because there's another 2 in 60, and there's another one in 72, so I'll write that one there. And then there's a 3 in 60, and there's a 3 in 70, so I'm going to write that in the middle. Now, that's it now. That's all the commons, because the only thing left in 60 is 5. So I'm going to have to put that one in this bit. It's in 60, not in 72. Then I look at 72, I've got my 2, my 2, 3. I've still got a 2 and a 3 left, so I'm going to put my 2 and my 3 there. Now, the highest common factor is the bit that's in the middle. That's 2 times 2 times 3, which is 12. And that makes sense. The biggest number that goes into 60 and 72 is 12. Now for the lowest common multiple. Now a multiple of 60 and 72 is 60 times 72, but that's massive. There is a much smaller number that goes into both. Okay, now that one, to find the lowest common multiple, we're going to use all the numbers that are there. So we've got 2 times 2 times 2, we've got 2 times 2 times 2, it's 3 2's in my diagram. There's 2 3's, 3 times 3, and there's 1 5. Okay, so I use all of that. So that's 2 cubed times 3 squared times 5. And if you work that out, that's actually 72 times 5, which is 360. And that is our lowest common multiple. Okay, voila, there we go. Hope that is nice and clear for you. You can have a go at some questions on this now.